Salag muna. Ano yung gigan?
Oo nga. Solo nyo na lang siya.
Uy!
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here Coach Coco Reyes and Ara Galang of the Cherry Eagle Crossovers who won in straight sets against the next gen Chameleons. Coach, congratulations on this victory. 2-0 sa Pool A. Ano masasabi mo sa win na to?
Malaking bagay na panalo kasi nga galing kami dun sa straight set din ng game nung first game namin. Siyempre, mas maganda rin yung nakakauna eh, para at least yung momentum bit-bit namin. So yun ang isang magandang nangyayari sa ngayon.
Thank you, Coach. And Ara, best player of the game, got 11 points and 11 excellent kicks. Then, sa game, ano masasabi mo sa performance mo this next game?
Siyempre happy ako na nakapa-contribute ako sa team para manalo. Yun naman din yung ginugol ko. So, yun. Super happy.
And we also have Kat Bell here with us. Kat, congratulations on this second straight win and also another sweep for Cherry. What can you say about this win for you guys?
The girls played amazing. You know, every time someone came in, he comes for somebody else, someone came in and did what they were supposed to do. So, obviously, game player of the game was amazing tonight. I really helped to have her have my back tonight, so it was great. I love tonight's performance for my team.
Thank you, Kat. The floor is open for questions.
Paano mo lang ine-embrace yung challenge this conference knowing na yun nga, kulang din yung team?
Yun nga, nag-start naman yun sa mindset eh. Kailangan panindigan ko yung binigay sa aking responsibility and binigay na role. So, para and nag-start naman yun sa training eh. Siyempre kung ano pinagtatrabahuan ko, yun naman din yung may lalabas ko. So, yun, nagpo-focus lang ako kung ano yung kaya kong ma-contribute sa team.
And how does it feel na makalaro naman si Kat Bell this time na dati nakakalaban mo lang?
Oo nga eh. Sobrang amazing siyang kalaban. At syempre, ngayon, nakakampi ba? Mas okay, di ba? I'm super happy na syempre, kasama ko na ngayon siya sa court na nagtutulungan kami ngayon.
For Kat as captain, two wins to start the conference, but how will you make sure that the team won't be too complacent moving forward after a strong start?
I think he also does a pretty good job making sure he's like really hard on us during the practice. I'm really adamant about, you know, enjoying the win for those 24 hours, and after that's the next game. So just everyone's already humble on their own. They already know the mindset is what the goal is. So I don't have to be too much depending on me as far as like directing, but just going straight forward and moving on to the next game.
Coach, pero bakit lang na some people have been saying na certain yung nakuha yung mga talent like Caswell and Calvin Berger for this conference. Gano'n kalaking bagay lang having them to help you?
Na yung mga player namin or sikat. Of course, it's a very long negotiation because of the availability of Kat Bell. I think how many tournaments?
It's been at least 2 years. I've played in at least four different teams now since I've been back. So yeah, it's been a long time.
So frequent or constant communication with Coach Yanis. So nakuha namin si Kat. And syempre, we're so blessed na we have her in our team. So culture, work etiquette, when it comes to professionalism, Kat Bell, Dr. Kat Bell. Okay. So ganun siya eh, yung work ethics niya very professional talaga. The way niya alagaan yung sarili niya, the way siya mag-prepare physically and mentally, and very vocal siya. So yan ang talagang character traits ng isang good leader, especially inside and out the court. So we are so blessed na nasa amin siya.
And two wins in, you've been instrumental in both of those wins. How would you try to continue helping the team moving forward?
I think my biggest thing is rest. You know, I'm an older player now, so my body doesn't really recover the way I normally recover. So our PTs here and obviously our strength conditioning coaches are amazing. So they make sure I'm healthy and make sure I'm getting the rest that I need, whether it's through supplements, massages, icing me down, stretching, just making sure my recovery is the main thing as well. So yeah, just recovery.
Ken, the question asked to Ara earlier was, you guys were opponents before, and now you get to play on the same team. I guess, how do you feel about that? And I guess, just how have you seen her grow as well as your teammate now?
I mean, it's definitely less stressful having her on my team. I've watched her up to the last 2 seasons I've been here, and I've always competed against her, and she's absolutely amazing. I admire her work ethic as well, and just seeing her grow her game developing just an attacker from on the opposite side has been great. I think she's attacking a lot higher as she was attacking before in the last few years, and the strength behind it is insane. So I can tell she's in the gym and working hard, and I'm just so glad that I have her as a teammate and not as an opponent anymore.
For coach and the players, your next game will be against Galilee. So what will be the team's mindset heading to that match?
First thing, go back to the hard court on Monday. So yun lang muna din. First, recovery din. Back to drawing board again. Ano lang, work.
Yeah, same. Like I said, it's really ideal just to let go of this last win tonight. Again, we can all enjoy tonight, but the next few days, kind of recover, relax our minds, and then get back to it. The ship doesn't stop right now. We still have a long way to go, and I just want to keep pushing us to move forward.
Good.
Thank you, coach.